Me and Rich.
Hey.
Just a quick one. We're actually swapping the mini bike like right now. We're waiting at a garage for people to turn up.
Not going to say what it is yet. Though.
Do you know what I mean? But we're not telling you what the new bike is. But oh my god, they're literally like 1 minute away. You guys are literally gonna cream. Literally gonna cream. But we're swapping the mini bike. No cash involved. This is gonna be fucking jokes.
I'll tell you what's really jokes here.
What? What's really jokes, Rich?
To the shop, yeah? And I found myself a free apple pie on the floor.
Oh no!
Well happy, mate.
We've got the new bike. It's fucking sick, mush. Right, are you guys ready for this? Right, are you ready for the grand unveiling?
Yeah!
What the fuck is this?
Parents are holding off. We don't need these.
Fucking belly pan. Yes, bro. We bought a CBR. CBR 50.
I'm excited, bro. Look at this shit.
It's got slicks. It's got solid suspension. It's got disc brakes, front and rear. Right, if I spoke to you guys in the video about it, about the gearbox and all that, it's direct onto the engine. The engine looks mint condition. It's got a nice little exhaust. A few little bits are loose. Need that cap bit there for that.
A little bit loose. I mean,
the handlebars need a lot of attention apparently.
no, they're supposed to do that.
It's got a fucking racing screen.
Signal, you know, you start indicators on top.
But the thing that's going to be a bit of a bitch is there's no pull start bit there, and the flywheel's not on. I can put the flywheel on. I'm not a retard. Do you know what I mean? But I'm going to have to buy a new pull start like I did with the other one. But I don't give a fuck. I've got a fucking little racing mini motor. And even if I have to buy a new engine, yeah, this was a deal. There was no money involved at all.
Brakes.
Yes, bro.
Front brake doesn't work very well. Back one does. Like, well, easy.
Yeah, bro. Oh, you get a sick shot for a thumbnail. Oh, bar wiggle, speed bubble.
No, go on.
Woo!
Ow, ow.
This is literally the best thing ever.
Hey, look. We have
and the fuel cap. We've got a fuel cap.
We've got a fuel cap which actually screws on and works. And there's fuel. Nice.
I kind of want to try and start it somehow, but I don't know how. Wait, is it missing a coil pack as well or not? No, coil pack's there. Calm. But there's no.
Yeah, but we tried to do this
fucking thingy-majig for there, whatever it's called. You know what I'm on about, woodruff key. So there's no woodruff key. Yeah, got to sort out the foot peg situation, sort everything out. But yeah, calm as fuck, bro. What I did is I told all my friends I was getting a CBR, so they're all excited, waiting to see my new CBR.
I genuinely, I was like fully excited. I'm there like, what size is it? What colour is it? I want to have a go on it. And then this thing turns up. And now I want to go and have a go on it even more.
I cannot wait to race this down Portsmouth Road.
I can't wait to race this through like a supermarket. We're going to do that, it's illegal.
Innit?
I'm totally doing it. Yeah,
innit? Literally. Through West Quay. Look at them. They're just chilling over there. They're just chilling. No more mini bike. That mini bike that we had looks shit though. That one like there is actually pretty calm. Let's be real. This is sick. Right, I've just fitted the belly pan properly of just the back bolt, but the whole fairing itself has to twist that way a little bit because it's actually touching the wheel at the bottom, so it can't steer properly. But I can see exactly how you do it and everything. It's a piece of piss job, but I'm gonna do it all after I've got the pull start and everything, so I can make sure everything fits nice. Because I'm probably gonna have to do a little bit of cutting and all that, but don't bother me. Front brake will work fine, just needs a bit of adjusting. Back brake already adjusted up, perfect. This is a little easy project, really. This is calm as fuck, bro. Alright, and we've now moved away from the mini bike and doing some stuff to these. Oh, Davey! I just had a load of t-shirts thrown at me by Davey. Just got to clean the visor left today. And change that cap, and that cap. All to blue ones. Yeah, she's a dirty bitch. 4 oil there, always good to have leaky forks. Yeah, boy. Right. Hold on, my plate's off. Davey wants to put a fake plate on it. It's just him in it. There you go. Davey's doing on my plate, everyone.
It looks like you stick it the wrong way.
But just look how filthy this thing is. No, the fucking 4 oil down there. The oil plate's behind the blue screen. No mirrors, no problem. Fucking hell. Does need a good old clean, especially that back wheel. Jesus Christ, look at that. Yamaha gang. But his clutch is also bare loose and wiggly as well. Key thing. His oil plates are just removable. When Dave wants to get rid of his oil plates, just eat them. Right, it's now all washed. Just got to use some of this shite here, get it all waxed up. I'll show you it again after, but let me just show you the difference wax makes. This is what it looks like now, yeah? You can see it's already quite shiny, you can already see reflections in it and everything. Already quite nice looking. Our plate's up there. And now I'll show you what it looks like with wax. We've finally finished waxing it, we've changed the blue bits, I'll show you them first. Bam, bam, bap. It's like a fucking advert. Right, but we've all waxed it and everything. She's all shiny. She's looking fucking dank. The only thing is, because we used old ripped up t-shirts, there's white fibres everywhere that you'll be able to see. And we just can't get rid of them at all. Oh shit, we missed a bit. Oh shit. Fuck it, I'll get that in a minute. But anyway, she's all nice and shiny. And sexy. And R125y. And Davey. And yeah. She's all clean. I didn't just do this by myself, by the way. It was me and Davey. You know what I mean? But yeah, oh, all these white fibres everywhere. I think they'll just fly off, kind of thing, when Davey's riding, because he does like 90 miles per hour in the 20 zone. So should all come off.
I don't think I know what's going to do in 90 summer.
Might do.
Yeah, no.
But yeah, also, fucking, whoa, where's the wear indicator? There. So close in the middle, and then the outside's like fucking brand new. Davey, do you even lean, bro? Do you even lean, bro?
Yeah, not me.
Look at that side, Jesus Christ. Davey goes that far across his tyre. I'm ashamed. Very ashamed. Look at his tail tidy. All rusty and bent up.
Okay, that's rusty and bent up as well.
You're rusty and bent up.
Your man's rusty and bent up.
Yeah, Davey's just putting his L plate down here. That's all he's doing. Front L plate, you already know where that goes. You've already seen it today. Just in the screen, basically. Gotta get it in there. Jesus Christ. Ah, there you go. Took a bit of persuasion then, didn't it? That's where the front L plate is. Not sure on the legalities of it, but it's there. So no one can complain. But yeah. Right, that's going to be the end of the video anyway. But yeah, that's the mini bike. That's the boys of death. And that's Davey. Fuming. Oh. Boy!